everyone. So today I'm going to be buffing the spray can paint job that I did the other day. Basically just using turtle wax, not wet sanding. You can get super nice results if you do it this way. If you wet sand it, obviously you're going to have to put another coat on. It'll just dull it up. There is no clear coat. This is basically single stage paint. So you can get a really good shine out of it. I mean, it already looks good, but it can look better. If you go with the Turtle Wax Renew, and it's the polishing compound, you can use this from Walmart. It's like $4 or something. Comes with 2 of them. And you can hand polish it on and it works really well, but I have an actual buffer, so it's just a cheap Walmart one, but it works really well. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit this fender and show you exactly what I'm talking about. Alright, so basically what I do is I just put a little bit of this on the buffer and I'll just swirl it on a little bit and I'll just keep going over it and then wipe dry with the microfiber. So let me show you that. Just kind of put it on like that. I dab it in a few other spots. And here we go. Now you don't want to do it too much, but after that's on there, let it sit for a second, we'll get the microfiber. Alright, now that I microfibered it, you can tell it's definitely got better shine to it. Looks really good. But if you feel like you need to go more coats, you can continue doing this, but don't do too much because you can burn through it. Basically, that's the quick and easy rundown of how to do it. And I'll also show you how to do it by hand. You will be able to feel a difference in the spots where you buffed because they will be super slippery and slick. Basically, just buff it on. It's basically like wax. Wax on, wax off. You keep doing this, it'll eventually smooth out all the paint. There is very little orange peel. You can kind of see it, but there's not that much. If we wanted to, we could wet sand this, go over it again with more willow green, and then put a clear over that, wet sand and buff the clear, and that orange peel would be gone completely. So yeah, that's a quick, easy way to buff spray can paint job. I still have the whole car to do. We have a car show tomorrow. It's actually a 3-day long car show where they do a burnout contest, and it's pretty cool. But yeah, it's definitely shinier, and you can see, I mean, it's pretty good gloss to it. Alright, so I went through and I did the rest of it. You can see how good the hood turned out. I've even got that little speckle in it. Anyways, Yeah, it shined up pretty nice all the way through. I even did under the hood engine cover. Polished the headlights up some. And look at the shine of that. It looks wonderful. So yeah, you can get amazing results from spray can, especially when you buff it. It just looks so good. But anyways, yeah. So basically what you're going to want to do is, if you have a spray can paint job without the clear, even with the clear, just go ahead and wax it. You don't have to buff it all the time, but at least wax it periodically, and it'll help make this paint last a long time. Basically, you're going to want to get this stuff they call ceramic coating. If you haven't heard of it, look it up. It's really awesome stuff. Ceramic coat everything that you've painted, and it'll last for years. And it won't chip off as long as it was prepped properly. So as long as you've prepped it properly, this paint will last a long time. So just remember to keep the temperatures between 50 and I think 75 is a decent temperature. Just make sure it's not in direct sunlight. For the people with higher humidity, I would wait till it's a little less humid, because you will get fish eyes with humidity. Hope these videos helped you. If you haven't seen the spray can video prior to this one, go to my channel. I'll put a link in the description below, and you can see how I made it look like this. If you have already seen that video and you've shared it, thank you. Definitely leave a thumbs up. And let me know what you guys think of this waxed, buffed spray can paint job.